6 exquisite adults. Only travel destinations for your next vacation. Adults-only travel destinations are vacation locations where no children or individuals under a certain age are allowed. Accommodations are designed for the comfort of adults, including spas, luxurious rooms, and private beaches. Activities include wine tastings, golfing, and water sports. Here are 6 top resorts to mingle with other grown-ups sharing similar interests or enjoying valued solitude. Como Shambhala Estate, Bali. A wellness haven with individualized wellness plans, yoga sessions, and lavish spa treatments. Dome's Noruz Chania, Greece. A stunning beachfront resort with outdoor plunge pools and unique gastronomic experiences. Sandals Royal Caribbean Resort, Montego Bay. An exclusive adults-only haven with private island villas and a range of water activities. Delphin Amazon Cruises, Peru. A unique cruise experience in the upper Amazon with wildlife sightings and jungle excursions. Canyon Ranch, Tucson, Arizona. An award-winning luxury wellness resort with customized wellness plans and desert views. LeBlanc Spa Resort Los Cabos, Mexico. An all-inclusive resort with inviting infinity pools, opulent rooms, and various culinary delights. Adult-only locations offer a remarkable way to enjoy travel and leisure, indulging, entertaining, and rejuvenating adults with unforgettable experiences.